In this video, I'll show you how to set up a HeyGen AI avatar video. First, open your web browser and go to the HeyGen website. Sign into your account, or create a new account if you don't already have one. Now, from your dashboard, click Create Video. Choose Avatar Video to start a new project. Next, browse the available AI avatars and select the one you want to use. You can preview different avatars before making your choice. After that, enter the script you want the avatar to speak. You can type your own text, paste an existing script, or use the available AI writing tools if your plan includes them. Now, choose the voice and language for your avatar. You can also adjust the speaking speed and pronunciation settings if those options are available. Then, customize the background, aspect ratio, and other video settings to match your needs. Finally, click Generate or Submit to create your video. Wait for HeyGen to finish processing, then preview the result. If you're satisfied, click Download or Export to save the video to your device. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a HeyGen AI avatar video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.